Alright, welcome back to day 2 on YouTube, but really it's 186th day. I'm logging myself creating the next Harry Potter. Now, what I wanted to talk about today was, this channel is basically just a documentation. So what I've done today, inside the process I've made, what my main focus today was, I tried to outline the different chapters, and I tried to put names on the different locations within my world as well. I can actually show you because, I'll show you and I'll tell you afterwards. There you go. Yeah, so this thing right here is my map. A map inside a Norwegian region. I'm Norwegian, so I thought it would be sensible to start off making my story in Norway because, well, kind of want to promote my own country. So yeah, and yeah, so basically what I've been doing today is I've been using ChatGPT to generate names, and I've been trying to think, okay, this location, for example, I have a mountain called the Crow Top, or that was just a sketch name, and I didn't really want it to be that. Now it's something else, and that's because I use ChatGPT to generate names instead of trying to like figure out everything myself, because I know J.K. Rowling and George R. Martin and these people typically would see a word in a book, around a book they might use for research, and they just take that and use it. For example, Hogwarts is really a plant, I believe. I think it's inspired from a plant, Hogwarts, and J.K. Rowling found that in a plant book. And well, since it's 2025, there's a bit new rules to how, or at least how I see it at the moment, in how you create your world and how you can create your books, how you can create a big book series. I think using ChatGPT to get some inspiration for names, etc., can be quite smart and effective, and as long as it doesn't suck out the joy within the craft, within trying to build a book series or a book or whatever you're writing, I think it's just fine. And that's what I did today, and that was in my research session, which is after my writing for the day. I typically write 1 hour, and yeah, for 1 hour today I drafted, and I made some names for the different locations. That's mainly what I did. I tried to draft, I think it was the second chapter of the book, but to be honest, the outline of what kind of sequence the chapters will be in, I've no clue for what I'm going to do with that at the moment. You can see actually on the other side, it's a lot of scribbling, and that's me just trying to figure out different chapter names, what the different chapters might be. I think that's also a smart concept, to sort of like give yourself an overview of the books. After a while, you try to make a few outlines of what kind of chapters might be in the books, and you go from there. Maybe you make a chapter and you figure out you want something else. Right now, I'm just in like the what if kind of process. I'm world building. I'm trying to build a world and actually like figure out what kind of chapters order would this be in, what kind of world does it look like. So there's a lot of research that it requires as well. And yeah, I think that's what I had today. Yeah, bye for now.